Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets and for another review. This is my gypsy stove, guys. I've installed it today. Obviously, you know, I've left it set for 4 hours and I couldn't wait to fire it up. So, what do I think about it? The guy done a great job, that's all I can say. Found one error, well, I don't know if it's an error, but example, the door. I want to put a seal around it, and obviously you can see the smoke what's coming out when you've got the door open, so let me shut that back. But everything else, this is a great stove, guys. You know, the temperature, this is getting quite warm, my cladding, but it's not affecting anything at the moment. I've had this running for an hour now, and it does, to be honest guys, to get your temperature up in your van, especially if you've got a jumbo long wheelbase like this, it takes about 40 minutes. So I put about 30 pieces of, what, about, I don't know, I'll just say about 1 inch inside the wood burner. But everything is pucker, guys. I'm telling you, it boils water quickly. The temperature in here now, let me see if I can show you, is 20.1, and it's only been running for about 14 minutes. I'm telling you now, it is a great wood burner. It's lightweight. I had a Hobbit stove. You know, I was hesitation like to install the thing, and I didn't want to install it because it was too heavy. I want to make this van as light as possible. As you can see, ton and groove, 1 by 1. If you watch all my other videos, you'll see how light my van is. It's all about eco. So this thing here is one of my best things I've actually put in the van. I can feel heat from where I'm standing, and when I mean I can feel heat, I can feel it so hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a fan on here. I'll put an update on that as well to see the progress of the heat obviously going to the back of the van. But this thing is awesome. The pipe, it does get hot after 40 minutes obviously. The shield, oh, even the shield's getting a bit hot now. Okay, it didn't get hot before I tested it. It's warm. Yes guys, I have got it on wood. I know you get a lot of haters saying, oh, you should have the fireproof wall or whatever. The only thing is, this here is getting warm. It's not even getting, you know, like warm to melt. So I'm going to test it another 2 hours, 3 hours. If so, I will block this off. But I'm not going to block it off if I don't need to. What's the point? Putting more weight in the van. And this thing is not getting hot. And this is plastic here, as you can see. So this is not melting. But I really do like this gypsy stove. So how you control the oxygen and stuff like that. Let me open up the door to show you. As you can see, so all you do is shut this door and it will burn slower. Open it up, it burns higher, obviously more oxygen. And you can hear the pipe roaring as well. To be honest, the guy whoever made this, he actually cut this really sweet. He's only done one mistake on mine, I think it was here. So I'm not bothered about that. He's done a good job. And plus, it was only, how much I pay? £146 with delivery. So I can't, you know, go wrong. I paid nearly £700 for my Hobbit stove, and the guy designed that, the gypsy stove, and it is a great stove. So I'm happy with it. It's kicking off some bloody heat though. It's kicking off some heat. I love it. So yep, I will leave his details in the description, guys. So as you can see, that's 20.2 now, and it's heating up the van. Lovely. So I don't have to run Mr. Buddy Heat anymore. So he's going to be put away. He's retired man, ain't you, Mr. Buddy? Retired. So that's that. If you want to see some updates on cooking on it, let me know. Obviously I haven't done no cooking on it. I will be doing cooking on it because I'm telling you now, it's going to work really great. And why I put it in the doorway, guys, if it wasn't performing, obviously I can cut this out and put a skylight in it. So I tried an error, if you know what I mean. But I'm so happy with it, so it's going to stay there. I'm going to add a few more screws obviously at the bottom, and that's it. The feet does get, I will say, lukewarm after 40 minutes, so I have to be careful because I've got it on wood. I will still test that. it's only warm, it's not that, you know, I put my fingers on it so it's not gonna catch fire. So, next project is my window. I'm gonna put my window in, and that's about it. So that is my gypsy stove, guys. And you have to know obviously how to control the oxygen, and that's it. All I do is just crack it a little tiny bit like that and just watch the flame. Look at that. Can you hear it roaring? Oh, it's a great stove. Really happy, because I didn't want to put the Hobbit stove in there, and that was a heavy thing. The only thing is, I would like to have like a little glass where you can see the flame, but you know, I'm not really bothered. So that is my review on my Hobbit stove. Hopefully you enjoy and like and subscribe. Leave some comments below, guys, if you want to see, like, you know, some cooking videos on it. As you can see, it is 20.4 and it's doing a great job. And in here it feels comfortable, you know. I can sleep now with no sleeping bag. What I was going to say, I'd noticed you have to put an inch of that wood every 5 minutes. If you close it, 9 minutes. So what I'm going to test now is coal. So when I'm sleeping, I'm going to fill it up with coal and see how long coal lasts, because obviously coal burns longer than wood, obviously. So I think I will get 7 to 8 hours if I close the oxygen, you know, the port thing what I was just showing you. So hopefully I don't have to run gas at night and it'd be safe, and you know, it's a good little stove. You know, I can't knock it at the moment. Obviously wood does burn quicker than coal, but it's a great stove. So my next update will be coal, and I would run it and I would let you know how long it would run for with coal in it. I got told 7 hours. So I'm going to fill it up with coal, and I'm going to see if, you know, in the morning I wake up it's actually still running or still hot. So that's my review on my gypsy stove. Signing out.